This little excess flap here is getting cut off, and then I'm going to cut this piece so it's exactly the same and butt edge is up against that, and that will be welded, and this will be all relayed out with a good drawing tool and get all the curves right. So so that should work good. And then I'll make a pattern of it with some paper so I can make the other side symmetrical. And if it's slightly different, then I may have to custom make a template and somewhat mimic this one, but have slight changes, slight adjustments to it. So, all right. So now I'm just going to drill out the holes here. There we go. So I think I'm gonna, yeah, looks like I'm gonna cut it right off here. Onto the latch right there. Put a hole right there. One right here. Pull that in. See, there's a bit of a gap in there. Very nice here. Right there, going nice. There we go. Oh, pulling nice too. That's good. That's good. Okay, so this thing fits good. This is my control arm protector, or garnish cover, I guess you'd call it. A garnish cover for an upper control arm. Just run it through the polisher real quick. Every time I polish stuff, it just gets better. I've had this whole car polished up before. And it fits nice and tight. And it misses right there. That's going to be tipped up like that, so that's going to work good. So, and marker. Now I don't want to roll this edge, so I'm just going to be rolling on this area. Gonna do some techniques, and then I might even shrink this a little bit if I have to, because I think I'm going to. Curving up, so I guess I should mark the bottom going down. Only where I need to roll. Curve this up. So some more rolling here. It's going good. Okay, so yeah, it looks like we're moving. You can kind of see right in there where the tracks are that it's really pushing the clay down in the middle and squeezing it out to the sides. Basically, that's the process. Metal is clay. Bend that lip and make it roll into this piece. So that's good. I should just clamp that right there. Look at that. Wow, that's amazing. Okay. So if that's how that's going to go, and I like it, I'm wondering if I should kick it in the middle now. I'm gonna do a back roll. I'm going to put a line evenly spaced down there and start right about here and go evenly spaced down there. And I'm just going to spin this area here. A little more pressure.